Today we're doing a cat. First, we do a circle around. Then we do the ears. Then we do this. Again, the same size. If you make a mistake, you can always erase and pause it. So you can actually do like this, or you can do it straight. That, and then you can do cute eyes. I prefer wiggle eyes since I don't wanna take so much time. You guys and you can do that with whiskers, and then do the body, legs. Erase the line in the leg. And then let's do the cat. You can add limes or anything. And then you can add a background if you want. And then you can add a cute bow if you want. And you can add little arms. I'm going to do little happy arms. And then you can do this. That's like a rabbit. And then color it in so it looks like actually really cute. Done. So if your paper looks like this, good. This is perfect like mine. I make a lot of mistakes because it's just really simple, and I do a lot of drawing in my life. So if you don't, it's fine if you don't do it perfect. Have a good time.